Hello students, myself Rakesh Kumar Meena, Assistant Professor in English at Government College Rajgarh, and today we will study the famous Indian poetess Kamala Das and her well-known poem My Grandmother's House. In this video lecture, we will discuss on 4 important points related to this poem, and these points are introduction to the poetess, her major works, introduction to the poem, and the theme of the poem. So now I am going to start this video. Our first point is the introduction to the poetess. Kamala Suraiya Das, also known as Madhavikutty, considered India's poet laureate, set a bold new tone for India's women, poor and disfranchised. Kamala Das' poems epitomize the dilemma of modern Indian woman who attempts to free herself sexually and domestically from the role of bondage sanctioned by the past. She was a revolutionary writer. Kamala Das is one of the few major voices in modern Indian poetry in English. She uses the English language for her poetic purpose, but she is very Indian in her choice of themes, characters, sentiment, and locate. Her poems are mostly autobiographical. Kamala Das, who later in her life was known as Kamala Suraiya, was born on 31st March 1934 at coastal region of Malabar in the state of Kerala in a Hindu family. Kamala Das is her pseudonym. Her real name is Madhavikutty. Her father V.M. Nair was a salesman and the editor of a widely read Malayalam newspaper, and her mother Nalapat Balmani Amma was a well-known poet. She received her early education largely at home, and it is to be noted that she comes of a very orthodox and conservative family. This point is important because her poetry is most unorthodox and almost revolutionary as compared to the environment and atmosphere in which she grew up. She began writing when she was very young, both in Malayalam and English. Her marriage and its failure. Kamala Das was married at the early age of 15, but her marriage proved a total failure. Kamala Das believed in marriage as an emotional and spiritual bond, and her husband's coldness in this respect made her feel actually dissatisfied and discontented in her life. Our next point is her major works. Kamala Das' poetic output is contained in 4 volumes of poems, which include Summer in Calcutta in 1965, The Descendants in 1967, The Old Playhouse and Other Poems in 1973, and Stranger's Time in 1973. Her autobiography in prose is entitled My Story in 1975. As a poet, Kamala Das has shown an extraordinary command over English language, but she has also achieved eminence as a writer of short stories in her mother tongue Malayalam, for which the Kerala Sahitya Academy honored her with an award in 1969. Kamala Das has also written a number of essays. And the next point is the introduction to the poem My Grandmother's House. The poem My Grandmother's House first published in Kamala Das' first anthology of verse titled Summer in Calcutta in 1965. In this poem, Kamala Das walks down memory lane and remembers happy times of the past. She thinks about the past in a fond way. Here she portrays her happy and carefree life as a child in her grandmother's house. And the last point is the theme of the poem My Grandmother's House. It is an autobiographical poem in which the poet's longing for her parental house in Malabar is movingly described. She is reminded of the ancestral house where she had received immense love and affection from her grandmother. The undercurrent of the poem is Kamala Das' childhood life with her grandmother, where she felt more love and peace than she enjoys in her present life. In this poem, she wishes to return to Malabar, where she lived in her girlhood in the parental home under the care of her grandmother. With this, it is the end of this video lecture. In my next video, we will study this poem. Thank you.